celebrates creativity and the timeless beauty of Silanggenyo heritage. The soft, flowing fabric mirrors the gentle yet determined nature of the women of Silang, embellished with subtle patterns inspired by traditional Filipino motifs. It radiates patriotism and cultural pride. The curtain's transformation into an elegant gown symbolizes the community's ability to turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. With poise and confidence, she represents Silang as a beacon of hope, unity, and love for the nation. Again, candidate number 1.